Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. I am a human being with feelings and emotions and scars and flaws, just like anyone else. At the end of the day, I am a person. I have feelings. I get tired. I get sad. I pay no attention, whatever, to anybody's praise or blame. I simply follow my own feelings. Mozart. Sometimes your mind says no, but your heart says go. Feelings are not supposed to be logical. Dangerous is the man who has rationalized his emotions. You can close your eyes to the things you do not want to see, but you cannot close your heart to the things you do not want to feel. Whatever you do, you should do it with feeling. There is no instinct like that of the heart. Our feelings are our most genuine paths to knowledge. Taking ownership of your feelings is so vital to getting better. Thoughts are the shadows of our feelings, always darker, emptier, and simpler. The deepest feeling always shows itself in silence, not in silence, but restraint. Music is what our feelings sound like. Mixed feelings, like mixed drinks, are a confusion to the soul. Never play with the feelings of others, because you may win the game, but the risk is that you will surely lose the person for lifetime. They may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. We destroy ourselves when we stop feeling. If you bury your feelings within you, you become a graveyard. The way I drive, the way I handle a car is an expression of my inner feelings. Genuine happiness comes from within, and often It comes in spontaneous feelings of joy. Positive feelings come from being honest about yourself and accepting your personality and physical characteristics, warts and all, and from belonging to a family that accepts you without question. Music evokes so many feelings in us: memories, nostalgia, things that are connected to our past. Our mind is full of anger, jealousy, and other negative feelings. Yet, we do not realize that these are incompatible with inner peace and joy. Gautama Buddha. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead.